Hey guys, Dan Heilman back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about GMGN, Good Morning, Good Night.AI. It is basically a trading platform. You have copy trades. I've seen a bunch of people on Twitter saying, you can make 100 grand a month like this guy. So I had to try it out. I spent a bunch of time, a bunch of hours setting it up. So I want to talk about my results that I got from this, and I think this is a total scam, and I will tell you why I think that and what's going and all of that, what's going on with it. So it has not been working, and I don't know that you could really get this to work. I see all these people posting like this, but just the way it works, I'll show you why that I don't think this could ever work. We'll go through a quick update in the market. So I have trades open on Bitcoin and XRP. I took some profits on XRP. We saw a nice run up. I have some more take profits up at 2.49 again. If you do want to leverage trade like me, I am using the only legal leverage trading exchange in America that I know of, Bitunix. I have a link below that gives you a nice discount on fees if you want to use it. There's a bunch of newcomer bonuses. If you do want to sign up, please use my link. It helps me out and it gives you a huge discount on fees. But all right, back to the main attraction here. So I saw a bunch of posts like this. If you do want to try it, feel free to try it. I'm not saying that it can never work ever. I'm just saying I'll go through why I don't think it's working properly. But basically what you do is you go onto this GMGN.AI site. I think this is a cool site. So I want to try this by myself, not using copy trade with me doing trades. You can hit like new pair on here, and basically as new coins are created, you can see some of the liquidity is like $6, $3. So market cap 0, market cap, really, really small. So it shows every new trade that comes out, which is kind of cool. But they have this copy trade function, and you can see some people are doing really well. This guy is literally 10,000% returns. So I followed this guy, and I followed a couple other guys, and the results were terrible. And let me explain why I think this is happening. So I guess basically to set this up, all you do is you go to copy trade here, and then you hit connect. So you'll connect Telegram, you'll open up Telegram, and it'll basically give you, it's kind of cool. So I honestly, it is really cool. I wish it did work. But basically you have these copy trades here, and you can see that you have this little bot, and it's really cool. You can I want to change, what I'm putting into this. So I was literally only doing 0.001 Sol for every transaction, and I put 1 Solana in there, and it got eaten in literally a matter of 16 hours. And I don't think I got one profitable trade. I think I had about 25 not profitable trades. And I don't think I got a single profitable trade. I think I maybe got one profitable trade for 10%. I'll show you why that is, but it's really cool. I've never used Telegram bots before. And actually, if you have trouble setting it up, you can actually just ask X. So if you go to X and you go to Grok, you can just ask Grok how to set it up, and he'll tell you. So it's kind of cool. I couldn't find any information on Google. I used Grok. I'm really impressed with Grok, and it told me how to do it. So, but anyways, this guy claims millions and millions of dollars you can make with this thing every single month. I set it up exactly like he did. I used his same filters and everything, but let me explain why it's not working. So what I found was, here's 2 trades that I copy traded from this gentleman, BIE, blah, 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 blah. One of the top traders on the platform. So what happens is he purchases, okay? So this guy purchases with $300, okay? Sorry, $700. So he purchased $700 worth, and at a price of 507359, okay? So then when my bot picks up that he purchased, now I purchase, but the price is already up, almost double, right? So now I only have 4 decimal places, 1275, because he just pumped the price so high. Because look at the market cap is only 13,000. So now he bought, now my bot copies him, and it buys it at a much higher price, double the price, because he already pumped the price up so high, right? So then he sells at a profit of 42%. And then now when he sells, it crashes the price like crazy because it's such a small market cap coin. So then now I'm buying high and I'm selling low. So that's what happened. So I lost 45% and he gained 42%. Another trade, same thing. And there was, 20 of these trades in a row, and it just burned through my entire account in seconds, really in hours, but you get the point here. And same thing happened. So he bought this Joe coin. He put $700 in, and this was the price that he paid for it. 5 decimal places, 7402. Okay. It's crazy because then I paid what? Like I paid freaking 3 times as much as he did, which is crazy. So then he buys it. It pumps the price up like crazy. Then my bot copies, and I bought it at a terrible price. And then he sells, and it crashes the price like crazy. And then I sell. So I basically end up buying high and selling low every single time. You can see he made 100% profit, and I lost 60% profit. So that's why this copy trade thing just does not work. It just straight up does not work. I think the only way you could ever get it to work is if you somehow find someone who maybe doesn't buy as small market cap coins, or maybe holds the coins a little bit longer. Some of these guys, one of the guys I was copying, I think it was the 72 guy, all of his trades were only open for like 10 seconds. So, and they were such small coins, man. It would just like, and he kept on opening hundreds of these things, like back and back. And it just literally, it was like buy, sell, loss, buy, sell, loss, buy, sell, loss. And that's all I get on the Telegram bot. Literally spam buying and spam losing 60%. So I had to basically pause that. In Telegram, you can like pause certain ones. But yeah, I didn't get a single profitable trade out of any of these guys. And I tried 10 of the top wallets in here, and I copied all 10 wallets for like 2 days. I put 1 Solana in there, and I was only using literally 0.001 Solana for buy orders. And sometimes you have to put the slippage kind of high, so sometimes you'll pay even more than you should for the order. So I don't know, man. I tried this out for a while, and I think there's just really no way that you could consistently make good money unless you know some wallet that is holding the trades longer and trying to get bigger profits. I think what happens is you could maybe get lucky and get one of those ones where you get someone who gets like 10,000% return on a trade, and then you lose the other 25 trades. So you're still up. Maybe something like that would work. Maybe if they get into some crazy trades and they make some really insane returns. Like, is there any returns in here? Recent profit and loss. Where's the percent return? Where's the percent total profit? Like this one, I guess. This one had a 5,000% return. Okay. So 5,000%. So maybe if you got into a trade like that, maybe you'd make some profit and it would make up for the other ones where you lost a freaking $1 million on. I don't know. I just I let it run. It burned through an entire Solana in literally 20 hours, 18 hours. And then that was it. I turned it off, and, I was using basically the smallest order you could use. So I just don't know how anyone could ever make money from this. If you've tried it at all, let me know your results, but I just feel like there's really no way to make any profits from this. It sounded too good to be true. This Frogify guy, I've seen so many posts, so many people post this on Twitter, like millions of time. Look at this guy. He literally says you can make $100,000 every month. And it's like, dude, there is no way. I see he shows a profit on the screen, and he shows a big wallet here. I don't know. Maybe he just ran it for a really long time and he just got some big trades, but I feel like you'd have to put 10 Solana in here just to have enough Solana for it to do the orders, because you'd lose so often, and you lose 60% basically every time is what was happening for me. I played with all the slippage settings. I played with a bunch of stuff like that. Now you could sell it earlier if you want, but I feel like you need these big trades like this to make up for the 500 trades you're going to lose. I think that's kind of the only way to do it, is to put a bunch of money in here and just let it run. It's going to burn all your Solana. But then one time right here, or 2 times, you get a 6,000% return, and it makes up for the 100 losses you just had. Maybe you just got to run it a really long time. I don't know. I don't want to sit here and put 100 Solana in here and lose all 100 Solana. So I have turned off my bots and pulled everything out of my wallet. So I don't know, man. I just think this is a total scam. It seemed way too good to be true, so I had to try it. But in my opinion, I don't think you're ever going to make any money from this, and I would not try it personally. If you want to try it, I mean, feel free. You can go look up this guy if you want, and he has the full tutorial on how to do it. Except for he forgot the fact that you have to use Telegram. He says you can connect your wallet, and it's just not true. You cannot. You have to. It'll just say fail. It'll say failed every time. So you actually do have to connect. When you hit connect wallet up here, you do have to use Telegram. You can't use this sign in with wallet, or it will not work. So use Telegram. Basically, you set up Telegram, and then the bot's in there. It'll give you your wallet, and then you transfer Solana to your Telegram wallet, and then you just start running the bot. You can, basically you go in here and you say, all right, I'm going to follow this person, for example. I'm going to hit copy trade, and then, it'll tell you to log in, and you'll basically say how much you want to use for each trade. And yeah, I mean, feel free to try it, but it's pretty brutal in there. I burned through my whole wallet in literally 18 hours. But anyways, that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I spent a lot of time trying this out, so I just wanted to make a video on it and talk about how I don't think it works. But anyways, if you want to use Bitunix, use my link in the description below. As I said, really helps me out, and thanks for all the support on the channel. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment below. Have you tried it out? And I appreciate all the support. If you can watch these videos as long as possible, it really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. We'll see what's going on with XRP. We'll see if it's going to continue to pump. We have kind of a lot of red on the market today, so getting a nice healthy pullback after a massive run. So nothing wrong with that. But that's it. Have a great day, everyone. See you guys.